Hey guys, it's Josh with TOC Supplies, and today we've got an amazing video guys for you, and that is a tutorial on how to properly apply the Lex Labels on the IK trigger sprayer, alright? So, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so before you apply the label on the trigger sprayer, make sure that you clean the surface with an IPA or an all-purpose cleaner, and make sure it's nice and dry. Also, one thing to note is that you need to be very careful with these labels when applying them, because if you rush them, you're going to run into some problems. So make sure you take your time and be patient with it. Alright guys, so now we're going to apply the label. So I'm just going to lay the IK trigger down here, and what we're going to do is we're going to actually start to peel the white backing off. So you can start on any edge here, lightly grab an edge there. Perfect, I got this edge right here. So there we go. Now that we have the edge open, slowly start peeling it off. Don't rush the process here, just slowly peel it off. And there we go. So now we have the label here. Let's move that aside. And as I'm about to apply the label on the bottle, I'm actually going to use a card here to make sure I get rid of any air bubbles when I apply it. So, let's do it nice and slowly here. I'm going to line it up with the logo here, by the way, guys. I'm going to line it up. And rest it on there. Run my finger across like that. And I'm going to use my card. I'm going to start to basically flatten it from the inside out. Alright, so let's start doing that. So remember to clean the surface with an IPA before you place the label. Clean the surface with an IPA or APC to basically clean off all the contaminants for proper adhesion of the sticker. Or label, whichever one. Alright, let's put that aside. I'm just going to massage it a little bit. We're going to massage that, massage the letters. Now you can wait a minute or two to basically peel off the transfer tape, but we're going to do it right away. Alright, so from here, we're just going to grab one corner again of only the transfer tape. So I can see that that's coming off. There. Nice and slow. And there you guys have it. That's how you properly apply the Lex Labels on the IK trigger sprayer.